Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Orange Holiday Travel eSIM. So if you don't know what an eSIM is, or this Orange Holiday is, it's basically just a brand for an eSIM, and an eSIM is just an international SIM that you can use to travel abroad. So for example, you're in your country, and you have your SIM for your country, and that works in your specific country. However, that SIM won't work outside of your country. So for example, you're in the US and you have an American SIM, and you go to another country, for example Japan, and your SIM won't work since it doesn't have signal there. So buying an eSIM like this, it will actually work in Japan and other countries or select countries. You might need to search for the countries that are compatible with your eSIM. However, eSIMs like this are for travel, and it is easy. So you just buy with a plan for 70 gigabytes, or these are typical eSIM plans right here. So you can just install it and enjoy using it outside the country. So let's actually go on over to Amazon right here and go over the reviews. And actually, they are rated 3.6 out of 5 stars. So many people are rating it 5-star, and a lot of people said it is 1 star. So let's go over to the 1 star is. So beware if you stay longer than 30 days. A lot of people are saying that it is good, however. So this person said that it's worse than useless. Great SIM for a card holiday. So maybe it is only good for a couple of days and it's really bad for the long term. So use this SIM with caution. So since it may have some problems. So before using the SIM, you might want to do some research. But there are a lot of different eSIMs out there which are better than this. Like, for example, Arello and Saley. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.